Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Here's the product comparison dialogue. Okay, so today we're diving into the world of high-end espresso, comparing two super-automatic machines. First up, we're looking at the Breville fully automatic espresso machine, the Oracle Touch, specifically a renewed model.
And I've got the Jura Z10 in aluminum white here. These are both serious contenders for bringing cafe-quality coffee into your kitchen, but they approach it in different ways.
So both are super-automatic espresso machines, aiming for that barista-quality coffee at home. The big question is, which one is right for you? The Breville, it's got a touchscreen, which is kind of cool. It says it delivers third-wave specialty coffee. Fancy. But it's not just marketing. It's got a professional dual boiler construction. That means simultaneous extraction and steaming, which is key for lattes and cappuccinos.
The Jura Z10 also has a touchscreen, and it's designed to be fully automatic. It boasts something called Product Recognizing Grinder, or PRG, automatically adjusting the grind fineness based on the drink you select. It's all about ease of use and consistent quality.
The Breville has an integrated precision conical burr grinder that automatically grinds, doses, and tamps. It handles about 22 grams of coffee, which is a good amount for a strong double shot.
The Jura also has a built-in grinder, ensuring fresh coffee every time. One thing to note is the Z10 can prepare cold brew coffee in addition to hot beverages, a unique feature.
It looks like the Breville has some control over water pressure, using an overpressure valve to prevent bitter flavors. Plus, an automatic microfoam milk texturing wand, powered by its own dedicated boiler. That's neat. You can really dial in your latte art.
The Jura focuses on programmable settings, so you can customize your coffee exactly how you like it. It also has fine foam technology for milk frothing, though it might not reach the same microfoam level as the Breville's dedicated wand.
You can personalize your drinks on the Breville and save up to 8 custom coffees. That's great for a family, or just if you're particular about your coffee. Adjustable grind control, programmable milk temperature and texture. It's all there.
The Jura is all about consistent performance and quality. It learns your preferences over time and adapts to deliver the perfect cup every time. It also has an intelligent preheating system.
The Breville has a bean hopper capacity of half a pound and a 67-ounce water tank. It's also worth noting this is a * renewed dimed model, so it's been inspected and tested to work like new, but it's not brand new.
The Jura weighs in at 27 pounds, so it's fairly substantial. Its dimensions are 12.6 dx 17.7 wx 15 inches h.
The Breville is a bit heavier, at 37.3 pounds, and slightly larger overall. Something to consider for your countertop space.
Both have touchscreens, making them easy to operate, even for a novice. But the Breville lets you swipe and select from pre-programmed drinks, while the Jura focuses on intelligent algorithms to perfect your coffee.
The Breville comes with quite a few accessories, like filter baskets, a milk jug, and cleaning supplies. It's ready to go, but keep in mind it's a renewed product, so inspect it carefully upon arrival.
The Jura comes with a filter, so you are good to go right out of the box. It also has integrated cleaning programs, making maintenance relatively straightforward.
Ultimately, it seems like both of these are aiming for a similar goal: to bring cafe-quality espresso into your home automatically. The Breville offers more hands-on control, while the Jura emphasizes consistent, effortless quality. Your choice depends on your priorities. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.